Pepperl+Fuchs supports the Manufacturing X initiative with digital product information. We see the virtual representation of a product as the basis for Manufacturing X. We show an example of how product information is digitally provided via a unique identifier. This instance level identifier is standardized in IEC 61406 and enables manufacturer information to be linked to product instances. Using mobile devices, components in a plant can be identified fast and easy. The information can be accessed at any time, regardless of location, creating an important communication path within the digital data space of Manufacturing X. Pepperl+Fuchs shows how the company's portfolio is gradually being connected to the digital data space and what advantages this brings. In addition to this machine-to-human solution, we are working on equipping asset administration shells with continuous machine-to-machine communication.